Welcome to the class today. We will start with warm up. Today we will not do exercise for neck because we will be doing later stage. Let's start with shoulder exercise. Keep legs together. Only shoulder ball movement forward. Make a bigger circle. Similarly, reverse. Now alternatively, hands stretch at both the sides. Stretch up and down. Now rotate both the hands forward. Shoulders should come very close to the ears when they go up. And elbow should be straight. And then reverse. Now keep fingers on the shoulder. Join the elbows at the front. Stretch them at the shoulder level while exhaling. Now lift the shoulder up and down from sideways. Relax. Keep hands straight. Exhaling, pull the elbows back. Similarly, up and down. Keep hands straight. From wrist, stretch the palm up and down. Stretch at both the sides. Similarly, from side, join the fingers. When they stretch back, join the wrist. Now make a fist of both the hands and rotate clockwise and anti-clockwise. And anti-clockwise. Now randomly move both the hands from shoulders to fingers. You should shake. Relax. Keep little distance between two legs. Rotate only abdomen. Clockwise 3-4 times and anti-clockwise 3-4 times. Anti-clockwise. Relax. Keep both the legs together. Hands along with the body. Now lift the right leg as if you are kicking something. Kick forward, back, and then side. Forward, back, and then side. Do it 3-4 times. Similarly, left leg, forward, back, and then side. Relax. Keep hands at the waistline. Lift the right leg from sideways as much as possible. And then slowly bring it back. Do it 3-4 times. When it comes to side, try to see if it can come to 90 degrees to the other leg. But up to your capacity. Similarly, from left leg, relax. Now lift the right leg. The knee should come up to the chest. Similarly, left leg. Now try to lift the leg from back side and try to see the heel is touching the hips. Similarly, left leg. Relax. Keep both the hands on the knees. Bend the knees forward. Straight them back. Do it 3-4 times. Bend maximum. Then knees coming forward. Now rotate clockwise 3-4 times and anti-clockwise 3-4 times. Anti-clockwise. Relax. Now lift the right leg, keeping the hands at the waistline. Rotate ankle clockwise 3-4 times. And anti-clockwise. Similarly, left leg. Clockwise, anti-clockwise. Relax. Sit on the asana. See if you can sit in Padmasana. If not, sit in Sukhasana. Sitting in Padmasana. Now, with the right hand, try to hold the left knee. Take left hand up. Stretch up. Try to bend towards right as much as possible. Holding the knee. Inhaling, slowly lift yourself up. Relax the hands. With left hand, try to hold the right knee. Take right hand up. Stretch yourself up. Bend towards your left while exhaling. Inhaling, slowly lift yourself up. Normalize the hands and the legs. Release the Padmasana. We will do a few more exercises to the legs. Legs straight. Right leg folded. Bring it close to the hip joint. Leg in standing position. Left leg straight and stretched. Do it 3-4 times. Similarly, left leg, hold it at knee, bring the heel very close to the Jangamu, send it back. Do it 3-4 times. Relax the legs. Now lift both the hands under the right knee. Lift the right leg as much as possible. Straight, knee straight, toe in stretching position. Once you maximum lift, release the hands and keep it in 180 degrees. Stay there. Exhaling slowly, go back. Now, left leg, keep both the hands under the left knee. Lift the left leg up. Knee straight, toe in stretching position. Release the hands and keep it in 180 degrees. Slowly go back. Now, lift both the legs as much as possible and hands in 180 degrees. Stay there. Exhaling slowly, come back. Relax. Padmasana. Join both the legs. Hold the right leg. Place the right heel very close to the right side of the navel. Hold the left leg. Place it on top of the right leg. Heels very close to each other. Knees on the floor. Neck and back straight. Elbows very close to the body. Hands in Jnana Mudra. Index finger and thumb gently touching each other, remaining 2-3 fingers looking down. Wrist on the knees. We will normalize the breathing with deep and long breathing. Exhale. Completely exhale. In the final stage, pull the navel deep inside. Place the root of the navel on the backbone. Apply Moolban. Pulling up the perineal muscles is Moolban. Relax the abdomen. Start inhaling slowly, gently up to the throat. Again apply Moolban. Release Moolban and then repeat 2 more times. First exhale. Exhale completely. Apply Moolban. Relax the abdomen. Start inhaling slowly, gently up to the throat. Apply Moolban. Hold for some time. Release Moolban and repeat 1 more time. We will chant Om 3 times and then Gayatri Mantra. Mouth into circular shape. Inhale. Mahamantra Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhurbhuvaswaha Tasaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi धियो यो न prachodayat. Gently open your eyes. Open Padmasana. Without taking support, try to get up. We will do Trikonasana version 2. Keep distance between two legs between more than shoulder width. Hands in 180 degrees. Now turn right feet towards the right. Left palm looking up, right palm looking down. First inhale. Exhaling, slowly bend towards your right. Knee straight, elbow straight. Right palm touching the right feet. Left hand coming in 180 degrees looking up. Fingers pointing towards the sky. Look towards the left palm. Completely exhale and try to bend a little more. But make sure knees are straight. In the final stage, if you are comfortable, you can place the palm on the floor. Inhaling, slowly lift yourself up. Hands in 180 degrees. Normalize the right leg. Now turn left leg towards left. Right palm looking up, left palm looking down. Inhale. Exhaling, bend towards your left. Look towards right palm. Completely exhale and try to bend a little more without bending the knees. And try to place the palm on the floor. Inhaling, slowly lift yourself up. Exhaling, normalize your legs and the hands. We will do Surya Namaskar. Come to the front part of the asana. Taking 2/3 behind. Come to Namaskar Mudra. Join both the palms. Root of the thumb at the chest cavity. Elbows parallel to the floor. Concentration at Ajna Chakra between two eyebrows. We will invoke the sun god. Om Mitraya Namaha. Inhaling, take both the hands up at the shoulder level. Inhale and bend back at the cervical. Neck and head should go back. Hands should go to the extend, ears go. Concentration at Vishuddhi Chakra, behind the throat, on the backbone. Exhaling, shoulders along with the ears, bend forward. Exhale completely. Those who has backache, don't bend forward in any asana. Completely exhale, bend forward, knees straight. Now try to place the palms on the floor. If you cannot place, try to touch the fingers on the floor. Forehead towards the knees. Concentration at Manipur Chakra, behind the navel on the backbone. Inhaling, take the right leg back maximum. Right toe in standing position. Right knee very close to the floor but not touching the floor. Lower back down, chest forward, head back, look up. Left leg 90 degrees between two hands. Concentration at Swadhisthana Chakra, behind the reproductive organs on the backbone. Exhaling, take the left leg back. Join both the legs. Head inside, chin at the throat cavity. go back and try to place the heels on the floor. Concentration at crown of the head, Sahasrara Chakra. Inhaling, bring body parallel to the floor, the inclined position. Knee straight, elbow straight, entire body parallel to the floor, entire weight on the palms. First knees down, chest between two hands on the floor, forehead on the floor, hands very close to the chest, elbows looking up, lower back should not touch the lower abdomen should not touch the floor. Lift lower abdomen a little. Concentration at Anahat Chakra, behind the heart, on the backbone. Inhaling, pushing body forward, lift yourself up, elbow straight, concentration at Mooladhara Chakra, tip of the backbone. From navel, try to bend back. Exhaling, lift yourself up and try to place the heels on the floor, chin at the throat cavity. Sahasrara Chakra will get activated. Thyroid problem will go away. Sciatica problem will go away. Inhaling, bring the right leg forward between two hands in 90 degrees. Left knee very close to the floor, but not touching the floor. Lower back down, chest forward, head back. Look up. Concentration at Swadhisthana Chakra, behind the reproductive organs on the backbone. The insulin production will be normal in this position. Diabetic problem will not happen. Exhaling, bring the left leg forward, join both the legs, straighten the knees. Now try to place both the palms on the floor, forehead towards the knees. Inhaling, shoulders along with the chest, slowly lift yourself up and bend back from the cervical region. Exhaling, come to Namaskar Mudra. Hands down. Lie down on the back, Vishram. In Surya Namaskar, all chakras got activated, all 7 chakras. Recollect all of them in Shavasana. Relax the body. We will do Tadasana. Join both the legs. Bring the hands towards the head on the floor. Hands at the shoulder level. Don't join them. Inhaling. Stretch yourself in opposite direction from the navel, as if 2 people are pulling you in opposite. Once you attain the final posture, normal breathing, but don't reduce the stretch. Try to increase a little more. Exhaling, relax. Turning from right, come to sitting position. Keep little distance between two legs. Hands behind the hips. Look up. Close your eyes. Relax. Now join both the legs. We will do Konasana. Bring both the hands very close to the hips behind the back. Legs together. Toes in stretching position. Inhaling. Lift the central part of the body up. Once you get the final position, normal breathing, but don't bring down the body. Try to lift a little more and place the toes on the floor. Entire feet should touch the floor in the final position. Head can be suspended at the back. Entire respiratory system will get toned up. Oxygen retention capacity will increase. Shoulders will get strengthened. Exhaling, slowly come back. And then relax in sitting position. Keep little distance between two legs. Hands behind the back, relaxed position. Look up and close your eyes. Normalize your breath. We will do Vakrasana. Join both the legs. Hands on the knees initially. Once you normalize your breath, fold the right leg. Bring the heel very close to the hip joint. In standing position, leg is in standing position. Now, take the right leg back behind the hips. Left hand folded. Elbow at the right knee, taking the grip. Pushing the right knee towards the left. And try to hold the right ankle with left hand. If you cannot hold, try to keep the hand in standing, lifting up, but elbow should be pushing right knee towards the left. And look back, twist yourself in opposite direction. Exhaling, slowly come back, release the grip, normalize the leg. Now fold the left leg, bring it close to the Jangamul. Left hand behind the back, right hand folded, elbow taking the grip of left knee. Now try to hold the ankle, left ankle with right hand, push the left knee towards right, and look back, twist yourself in opposite direction. Exhaling, slowly come back. Relax in Vajrasana, keeping both the hands towards right, folding legs from left side, toes together, heels apart, sit in between, hands on the knees, elbows close to the body. Close your eyes, relax. From Vajrasana, come on to the abdomen, Sithilasana right side. Lie down on the abdomen. Right ear on the floor. Right hand, right leg straight. Left hand, left leg folded. Left heel gently touching the right knee. Left hand in front of the eyes in the form of uppercase of L. Both the lung lows on the floor. Shoulders in normal position. Shittilasana, right side will normalize high blood pressure. Now we will do Dhanurasana. Come on to the abdomen. Hands along with the body. Initially forehead on the floor. Now fold both the legs. Catch hold of the respective ankles. All 5 fingers one side, looking the opposite side. Now inhaling, lift both the knees up. Now exhaling, lift the trunk and the head as much as possible. Only abdomen should be on the floor. Throw away the legs. Stretch maximum. Normal breathing. Exhaling, slowly come back. Shittilasana, left side, Vishrant. Left hand, left leg straight. Right hand, right leg folded. Right heel gently touching the left knee. Right hand in front of the eyes in the form of mirror image of uppercase of L. Shittilasana, left side will normalize low blood pressure. Now bring the right hand under the head, come on to the backbone. We will do Halasana. In any asana, those who has a backache, you should not bend forward. Whenever you are bending forward, make sure your body is supporting, otherwise stay, even if it is 50%, stay there. Now bring, keeping hands along with the body, palm looking down. Stretch the toes forward, elbows on the floor, knees straight. Now inhaling, bring the legs towards the head, toes should touch on the floor. If you cannot touch, even if you are in 50%, stay there. Vishuddhi chakra will get activated. Normal breathing. Exhaling, slowly come back. Now we will do Maschasana. Those who can sit in Padmasana, I mean while lying down, who can place the Padmasana, the legs in Padmasana, they can come to Padmasana position. If they cannot sit in Padmasana, they can cross the legs, just cross the legs. Those Who can sit in Padmasana? Just look at me. Legs in Padmasana position. Knees on the floor. Catch hold of the respective toes. Now try to lift the head and try to place the forehead towards the floor. Stay there. Exhaling, slowly normalize the head. Now, taking elbows support, try to lift yourself up, palms very close to the hips. If you can lift the knees a little, those who are in Padmasana, lift knees a little. Now we will do neck exercise. This is counter asana for halasana. Those who cannot sit in this position, they can sit in normal position. We will do neck exercise. Exhaling, head down, chin at the throat cavity. Inhaling, take the head back, tail touching the backbone. Exhaling down. Inhaling back. Come to center. Exhaling, turn head right, right ear on the right shoulder. Inhaling center. Exhaling left, left ear on the left shoulder. Exhaling center. Inhaling right. Exhaling center. Inhaling left. Exhaling center. We will rotate the head clockwise. Exhaling down. Inhaling right, right ear on the right shoulder. Slowly take it back. Exhaling left. Slowly come forward. Inhaling right. Slowly take it back. Exhaling left. Slowly come forward. We will rotate anti-clockwise. Inhaling left. Left ear on the left shoulder. Slowly take it back. Exhaling right. Slowly come forward. Inhaling left. Slowly take it back. Exhaling right. Slowly come forward. Come to center. Normalize your legs. Relax in Savasana. Little distance between two legs. Hands along with the body. Entire body in still position. Scan the relaxed body from right leg toe to head, head to left leg toe, and vice versa. And all organs inside the body with your mental eye. Turning from right, come to sitting position. We will do clapping. Relax. Let's clap all together. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Now slowly increase this speed. Decrease the sound speed. Relax. Now from sideways, now inside, now slowly tap the left palm, rear side of the palm with right hand. Similarly, with left hand on the right rear side of the palm. Now do a massage on root of the fingers, all 10 fingers. Relax. We will go for pranayama. We will do 2 other pranayamas. Sit in Padmasana or any asana which you are comfortable with. We will do Mucha Pranayam, similar to Brahmari, but little different. First listen to me and then you can practice. Thumb on the ears, index finger on the eyes, middle finger on the nostrils, remaining 2 fingers on the lips. So once you get this position, we will be inhaling by removing both the middle fingers from both the nostrils. Inhale completely, hold the breath inside, and by closing both the nostrils, hold for some time, then release both the middle fingers from the nostrils, slowly exhale, completely exhale, hold the breath outside, apply Molban, release and then repeat. So first thumbs in the final position, let's say you are doing 4 times. 4th stage, remove the thumbs from the ears and then repeat the cycle. So first thumbs on the ears, index finger on the eyes, middle fingers on the nostrils, remaining 2 fingers on the lips. Now inhale, hold the breath inside, apply Molban, stay there for some time. Release Molban, slowly exhale from both the nostrils. Here we are not going to make a sound. and middle fingers on the nostrils. This is one round. Repeat 3 more times. First, inhale up to the grin, hold the breath inside, apply Mulban, close both the nostrils, stay there for some time, release Mulban, release both the middle fingers from the nostrils and exhale, completely exhale, hold the breath outside, apply Mulban. Release and then repeat. With continuous practice, brain will be senseless and it will join the super conscious. That's why we call it as Moksha Pranayama. In the final stage, remove the thumbs from the ears, inhale, apply Mulban, release Mulban, exhale, hold the breath outside, apply Mulban, release and then relax. We will do Thalabadh Pranayam. Left hand in Jnana Mudra, right hand in Pranayama Mudra. First listen to me and then you can practice. We will be inhaling while chanting Om 4 times. Hold the breath inside while chanting Om 4 times. Exhale from right nostril while chanting Om 4 times. Hold the breath outside, chant Om 4 times. And then inhale from right nostril while chanting Om 4 times. Hold the breath inside while chanting Om 4 times. Exhale from left nostril while chanting Om 4 times. Hold the breath outside. Again, chant Om 4 times and hold the breath. Release and then repeat. So, inhalation, holding the breath, exhalation, all equal length. So, it should be like a rhythmic, tal bad, right? It's a musical note. It's not a length, but it should be rhythmic. Let's start. Inhale from left nostril while chanting Om 4 times. Hold the breath inside while chanting Om 4 times. Exhale from right nostril while chanting Om 4 times. Hold breath outside while chanting Om 4 times. Inhale from right nostril while chanting Om 4 times. Hold breath inside while chanting Om 4 times. Exhale from left nostril while chanting Om 4 times. Hold breath outside while chanting Om 4 times. Relax and then repeat 2 more times. You will get lot of control and the brain function will improve, memory will improve, memory capacity. No bandhas in this pranayam, but those who has high blood pressure or the heart ailments, asthma, they should not hold the breath. Once you are done, relax. Don't stop in between. Complete the round and then relax. We will go for meditation. Uttam Sri Padmasana or Sukhasana, whichever asana you are comfortable with, or even Vajrasana. Hands in Jnana Mudra, eyes gently closed. We will chant Om in 1:1 ratio 20 times, and then internal chant 20 times. You can listen to me for 2 times and then you can join. Om, 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 Om. Now chant internally. Slowly start focusing on thoughts. The thoughts come and go. Don't stop them. Don't involve in them. Just observe as a spectator. Slowly bring your focus on the breathing. You will chant Om and then Mrityunjay mantra. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanat Mrityo Mrukshiyamamrutat. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Be there in this blissful atmosphere for some time. Gently open your eyes. Open Padmasana. Straighten the legs. Stretch the toes forward and back 3-4 times. Right and left. Rotate clockwise 3-4 times. Anti-clockwise 3-4 times. We'll do butterfly. Bring both the heels very close to the Jangha. Hold the toes with both the hands. Try to flap the knees towards the floor. Sit straight. Relax. With this, we can conclude today's session. Thank you very much for the opportunity.